To learn the basics of English, learning alphabet alone is incomplete. We must learn the phonetic sounds. Welcome to Gigi's lectures. In this video, I am going to tell you the 26 alphabet letters and their different sounds with examples. First letter A. A ke 9 sounds undu. A as in tap. A as in tape. A as in car. Air as in care. O as in swan. O as in walk. A as in many. A as in above. E as in village. Next, B. The sound is B. B as in boy. B ചിലപ്പോഴൊക്കെ silent ആണ്. As in doubt. Subtle. C. Letter C has 4 sounds. S as in cell. K as in cat. Sh as in social. Ch as in chair. S is sometimes silent as in indite. D. D has 2 sounds. D as in duck. J as in soldier. E. E has 8 sounds. A as in bed. E as in Eve. Ear as in here. Air as in there. A as in where. A as in ballad. R as in clock. E as in begin. Sometimes E is silent in words like hope, mice. Next, F. The sound of F is F as in fit. Next, G. G has 2 sounds. J as in gem. G as in got. Sometimes G is silent in words like paradigm. Next, H. The sound is H as in head. H is silent in words like hour. I. I has 3 sounds. E as in ship. I as in pipe. E as in machine. J. The sound is J as in jam. K. The sound is K as in kite. Sometimes K is silent in words like knock. L. The sound is L as in like. M. The sound is M as in man. N. N has 2 sounds. N as in nail. N as in bang. Next letter O. O has 9 sounds. O as in coat. O as in coat. O as in foremost. A as in color. As in word. U as in move. U as in woman. E as in women. A as in observe. Next letter P. The sound is P P as in pen. Sometimes P is silent in words like Sam. Next, Q. The sound is K as in queen. R. The sound is R as in red. Alphabet letter R produce ചെയ്യുന്നത് vowel soundsന്റെ മുന്നിൽ വരുമ്പോൾ മാത്രമേ അത് നമ്മൾ പ്രൊനൗൺസ് ചെയ്യുള്ളൂ. എക്സെപ്റ്റ് ദ വേർഡ് അയേൺ. അയേൺ എന്നുള്ള വേർഡ് ഒഴിച്ച് ബാക്കി എല്ലാത്തിലും വവൽ സൗണ്ട്സിൻ്റെ ഫ്രണ്ടിൽ വരുമ്പോൾ മാത്രമേ ലെറ്റർ ആർ പ്രൊഡ്യൂസ് ചെയ്യുള്ളൂ. ലെറ്റർ എസ്. എസ് ഹാസ് 4 സൗണ്ട്സ്. S as in sack, Z as in rise, Sh as in insure, J as in treasure. S is silent in words like debris. Next letter T. The sound is T as in tap, Ch as in picture. Letter T has 2 sounds and it is silent in words like castle. Next U. Letter U has 5 sounds. U as in put, A as in tub, U as in tube, as in burn, A as in status. Next letter V. V has 2 sounds. V as in van, F as in Volkswagen. Next letter W. The sound is V as in wet. Sometimes silent in words like to. Next letter X. X-ന് 3 combined sounds ആണുള്ളത്. X as in books, X as in exam, Ksh as in noxious. Sometimes X is silent in words like xylophone. Next, Y. Y has 4 sounds. Y as in yes, E as in myth, I as in cycle, as in mer. The last letter Z. Z has 2 sounds. Z as in zest, J as in seizure. Sometimes Z is silent in words like rendezvous.